Hey, welcome to Faulkner Fixes All, and we have another satisfied customer here. Yay! And Adam just helped me put this in, and there was some shrinkage involved when the final welding came in. This was already belt sanded down, but the shrinkage or the distortion was quite a bit. As you can see, this whole edge kind of kicked out a fat quarter, fat eighth, which is very strange because I thought it was going to shrink and suck in. But just strange when you start welding metal in these weird shapes, things happen. There's a chicken, and this is his little rail here, supposed to withstand 200 pounds. Okay, swing up on that, Adam. Let's see if it handles it.
Here's the action.
The action. And we'll go upstairs and see how this other rail came out. Little barn update for you. That's a threshold that we cut. I was just cutting a piece of steel. That wasn't a big deal. But this was kind of a big deal here. Grade 8 fasteners, of course. You know, and when the drywallers do get to come up here in the near future, they will unbolt this, kick the whole thing that way. And it's the same over there when the drywall's on there. Oh, you got a window in here too.
Yep.
Oh, that's new. I guess you can let some light in from. Yeah, that's cool. This is to prevent people from deciding that it's Black Friday 1929 and jumping through here. We don't want that to happen. Anyway, yeah, and all those rolls down there, those rails are all done. So yeah, this is coming quite along nicely.
Pretty sweet.
Oh, and you put some sealer,
Yeah. We found that the rain would blow in. There was like a little seam for that to get in. So not only did we put this as a physical protective,
Right.
a bunch of sealant.
right underneath. Did he put when he put it in? Did he put a
Yeah.
fat bead on there?
I think he gooped up.
Yeah, good for him. Oh, and those little boards out there just to keep it from.
That was for holding the scaffolding. So
Oh,
those are
okay.
temporary.
Oh, those are just gonna come off now.
Yeah.
Yeah. I guess when you get the scaffold up this high, folks, you gotta have some safety.
Yeah.
Okay, Faulkner Fixes All signing off. Just a little barn update. My job is basically done here, except some cherry siding and stuff, which I've volunteered to come and do. Have a good day. Okay, thanks, Adam.